Imagine a world where cutting-edge AI isn't just for tech giants. It's free for everyone. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what just happened. Baidu, one of China's biggest tech players, just dropped two groundbreaking AI models, ERNIE 4.5 and ERNIE X1, and they've made them completely free on their ERNIE bot platform. This isn't just a big deal, it's a game changer. By offering advanced AI tools to everyone, Baidu is directly challenging giants like OpenAI, Google, and DeepSeek. But here's the real kicker. These models aren't just free, they're powerful. From understanding complex documents to outperforming GPT 4.5 in math tasks, Baidu's new AI is turning heads. So what does this mean for the future of AI? And why is Baidu giving this away for free? Let's dive in. Baidu isn't new to the AI game. They were one of China's first major players to launch a generative AI platform back in 2023. But they struggled to gain the same explosive popularity as ChatGPT when OpenAI entered the scene. The competition was fierce, with companies like ByteDance, the creators of TikTok, rolling out their own AI chatbot that grabbed massive user attention. Then there's DeepSeek, a startup that rattled the industry by claiming it had a reasoning model on par with the best US-based models, but at a fraction of the cost. Imagine telling established giants, "We can do what you do, but cheaper." That set off alarms everywhere. So let's break down these new Baidu models. First up is ERNIE 4.5, which Baidu calls their latest foundation model. This means it's designed to handle a wide range of tasks because it's trained on massive amounts of data. It's multimodal, so it doesn't just process text, it can handle images, audio, and potentially even video. Baidu claims it has improved language abilities, logic generation, and memory. They even say it has a high EQ, meaning it can understand sarcasm, memes, and satirical cartoons. Baidu has been hyping up ERNIE 4.5's performance on tasks like DocVQA, which involves understanding complex documents. Apparently, it scored over 90% on this benchmark, which is a big deal for anyone working with contracts, research papers, or legal documents. Baidu even compares ERNIE 4.5's multimodal performance to GPT-4, claiming it's 77.77% as effective in certain areas. For researchers and developers dealing with text, images, or a mix of both, this could be a game changer. Next, let's talk about ERNIE X1, which Baidu describes as their deep thinking model. They're boasting that it rivals DeepSeek's R1 model, but at half the cost. ERNIE X1 shines in benchmarks like CMMLU, which tests knowledge in Chinese and Math 500, where it reportedly outperformed GPT 4.5. Yes, you heard that right, it beat GPT 4.5 in math tasks. In a world where math and logic capabilities can make or break an AI assistant, this is huge. Already, people are finding value in Baidu's free AI models. Take Sari, a researcher in Indonesia, who struggled to analyze satellite images and scientific data, until ERNIE 4.5 became free, allowing her to finally manage her workload. Or Ardi, a developer in Jakarta who wanted to build a homework assistant but couldn't afford powerful AI tools until ERNIE X1 was released for free. Baidu calls this move the democratization of AI, opening doors for developers and researchers who couldn't access these tools before. But here's the big question. Why is Baidu giving this away for free? Developing advanced AI is expensive, so what's the catch? Essentially, it's a bold strategy to build a massive user base. Once people start using your model, you get tons of real-world data, which can be used to improve the AI further. More users also mean more opportunities for enterprise deals, research partnerships, or even licensing agreements. Plus, if the AI is free but built on Baidu's cloud or integrated into Baidu Search, it could still generate indirect revenue. Baidu also announced they'll be open sourcing some of their ERNIE models starting June 30th, following DeepSeek's example. It's like an arms race to see who can attract more developers and users. And Baidu isn't alone in this push. Tencent released a model earlier this year that it claims answers faster than DeepSeek, while Alibaba partnered with Apple to bring AI to iPhones in China and committed $52 billion to AI development over the next 3 years. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, is also in the game with its own popular AI chatbot. The Chinese government is heavily invested in AI too, with local governments in cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangdong building AI industry hubs and offering subsidies of up to 8 million yuan per project. Analysts predict China's AI sector could be worth 811 billion yuan by 2028, an insane growth trajectory. But here's the kicker. Baidu itself integrated DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model into its search engine earlier this year, so they're well aware of the competition. Yet they're positioning themselves as the go-to platform for AI at scale, from consumer chatbots to enterprise solutions. They're even highlighting the cost advantage. ERNIE 4.5 might only be 1% the price of GPT 4.5, with input and output costs as low as 0.4 yuan per 1,000 tokens. For small startups and individuals, this could be a game changer. Of course, there are challenges. Training and maintaining advanced AI models is expensive, and Baidu's financials show a 6% drop in non-GAAP net income despite a 26% jump in cloud revenue. But for now, the early results are promising. Millions of users rushed to try ERNIE Bot after it became free, and developers are already testing ERNIE 4.5's multimodal capabilities, using it to analyze X-rays, interpret financial charts, and more. Some are calling March 16th, 2025, the day that shifted the trajectory of AI development in China. By challenging the notion that advanced AI has to come with a hefty price tag, Baidu has opened the door for smaller players to innovate. Teachers in remote regions could use these models to craft better lessons, and local hospitals could leverage them to analyze medical images. The potential is enormous, but not everyone is convinced. Some industry insiders wonder if Baidu will eventually introduce premium tiers, where basic usage remains free but advanced features come at a cost. It's a common strategy, but for now, Baidu is leaning into the narrative of AI for all, which resonates strongly with governments and businesses alike, especially in a country with so many small and medium-sized enterprises eager to digitize and automate. So, what do you think? Is Baidu's move a game changer, or is it just hype? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.